The Interstate 64 corridor between Kingshighway and Jefferson Avenue is rapidly growing.
So you've got universities, hospitals, event centers, lots of residential people in the area.
With thousands of people depending on the corridor every day, MoDOT is evaluating the transportation infrastructure to identify possible improvements.
When you look at the highway, you often think about the cars, but in an urban environment like this, there's a lot more people that use this space. So one of the things we're looking at on this project is how can we make sure there's transit connections across the corridor, bicycle connections and pedestrian connections. Those are really important for the quality of life for the people who live and work here.
A necessary step for planning projects on this stretch of I-64 is a study called Future 64, Community Transportation Together. For the past year, MoDOT and its regional partners have evaluated what impact potential projects would have on the community. Public engagement has been essential to the Future 64 study.
You know, this is beyond the concrete or the transportation infrastructure. This is about, how do we build our communities? How do we engage individuals?
We've done everything we can to listen to the people who live, work, and commute through this area so that we can understand what's important to those folks.
MoDOT has done an exceptional job with this project, reaching out to the community, listening to those community voices, and making sure that that input is part of their future plan.
MoDOT developed a statement called the Purpose and Need for Future 64.
Purpose and need really helps us judge any possible options for this corridor based on the criteria that we know is important to you and to us.
The needs identified for this study are focused on safety for all users, more intuitive navigation, improving accessibility in and around the corridor, which includes bikes, pedestrians, and transit users, maintain long-term bridge improvements, and ensure the corridor operates smoothly for years to come. These needs are key components for 3 full corridor alternatives MoDOT will share at a January 18th public meeting. The 3 alternatives represent a wide variety of options for what this corridor could look like in the future.
Options are always good because that solicits opinion and solicits excitement around projects like this.
MoDOT staff and its community partners will be at the meeting to answer questions and collect your feedback.
It is really crucial to have your voice heard, to go to the public hearing that MoDOT has, to let them know how it works for you, what could work better.
We work for the citizens of the region fundamentally, and this is their time to weigh in.
Your voice matters, and MoDOT is here to listen, and the city will be there represented as well to hear your voices.
We need your input, and we need it now. We're having this public meeting because it is the time we can still make changes. If you see something that we don't, that's critical information.
To get involved and give your input on transportation projects in the Central Corridor, visit future64.com for information and a schedule of all public meetings.